Old Fashioned is a cocktail made with sugar, water, bitters, and spirit. Created in the early 1800s and reinvented in the late part of the century, this spirit-forward libation is commonly made with whiskey, particularly bourbon or rye. Experimenting with different bitters and syrups can set your drink apart. By incorporating fall flavors such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, this cocktail can become a transportive experience directly to the holiday season. And of course, by choosing the right glass and adding a little smoke, you can really elevate your presentation.